Charlotte, I can't believe we're finally inside the stadium. Look at all those fans. This is the best day of my life. Just wait until the match starts.
Everyone keep your tickets handy.
I already put mine away safely.
Let's find our seats.
They're supposed to be near midfield. Wow. These seats are amazing.
We got lucky.
I can see the players warming up.
Me too. James, this seat is yours. Right here? Yes. That's the seat on your ticket. This is awesome.
Excuse me, kid.
Yes?
You're sitting in my seat.
What?
But this is the seat on my ticket. Then your ticket is wrong.
No, sir.
Then move.
Why are you talking to my brother like that?
Because he's in my seat.
He has a ticket.
Would,
So do I. Then let's compare them.
I don't need to prove anything.
Charlotte, maybe we should just leave.
Absolutely not. I don't want treble. You're not causing the treble.
What's going on over here?
What's going on over here?
He says this isn't my seat.
Then let's look at the tickets together. Fine. But you're wasting everyone's time.
Let me see your ticket.
Here it is.
Section 112, row G, seat 18. That's where we're sitting.
Interesting. What do you mean? What do you mean?
My ticket says seat 18 too. Let me see.
You're right. I told you. I told you.
How can we both have the same seat? I don't know yet.
The answer is simple.
What answer?
One of these tickets isn't valid.
Are you saying mine is fake?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Go on, but Dad bought them from the official website.
Then somebody made a mistake.
This can't be happening.
The kid should move before the match starts. But this is my seat, not according to my ticket.
That's not fair.
He isn't. He isn't. That's what we're trying to figure out. Charlotte, everyone is staring at us. Ignore them.
I can't.
Just stay calm.
Security should handle this. That's exactly what we'll do.
Good. They'll tell him to leave. Don't be so sure.
Dad, what if I lose my seat?
You're not losing anything yet.
I waited months for this game.
And we're gonna find the truth.
What's the problem here?
We have 2 tickets for the same seat.
Let me see both tickets. Here you go.
That's unusual. Not unusual. The boy's ticket is fake.
That's a serious accusation. It's the obvious explanation. Sir, please let me finish checking.
Fine.
Charlotte, I'm scared. Don't worry. We didn't do anything wrong.
One of these tickets was issued later than the other. What does that mean?
Wait, look at the font on the seat number. They're slightly different. See?
You're right. I need to call the office. Ticket office. I need a check on section 112, row G, seat 18.
Follow me to the office.
What do the records show?
Duplicate sale? How? I paid a fortune for this.
It's a common scam on third-party sites.
I'm sorry, kid. I was wrong.
It's okay. I'm just glad I can stay. This is gonna be the best match ever.
Let's go!
Dad, can I see his ticket again?
What did you notice?
The printing looks different. Different how?
The font on the seat number isn't the same.
You're right.
Security guard, look at this.
En kiirreiskajing speed of bad Diosörmjelet Sapmalang Tog.
Interesting.
Doesn't that seem strange?
It definitely deserves a closer look.
You're wasting time over a font.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Sir, where did you get your ticket? From a reseller. Do you still have the receipt? No.
Dad, what if his ticket isn't the original one?
Then this story just got a lot more complicated.
I need to verify something with the ticket office.
Why?
What did you find?
How is that possible? How is that possible?
More than once?
Wait. What? Are you saying I was scammed? You've got to be kidding me.
So James didn't take your seat.
Maybe not.
Then why were you yelling at me?
Because I thought you were the problem.
It sounds like both sides were misled. I didn't see it that way before.
Jarring future spy head for the game.
Then who sold the duplicate ticket?
So the real problem isn't here in the stadium?
Exactly.
Really?
That's unbelievable.
So someone was making money by tricking fans?
I can't believe I fell for it.
You're not the only victim.
Good. That's the right thing to do. And all human outcare.
James, I owe you an apology.
For yelling at me?
Yes. I was angry and blamed the wrong person.
I accept your apology.
That's the best news ever!
So we finally know the truth.
And we almost missed it because everyone jumped to conclusions.
Are you ready to enjoy the match now?
More than ready!
What did we learn today?
The loudest accusation isn't always the truth.